that don't bring a smile to your face, just think of my baby.
Introduce the white album. Now why don't you be quiet and let him do it?
Wait, Earl, wait.
Well, if there's one thing I've told you twice,
Earl.
not to interrupt Billy Bob.
Earl. Looney Bird. Earl, look.
Fingers through your hair.
Hey, Rob, be quiet.
Oh, everybody, I'm sorry. I seem to have lost control of the show. But we're not going to do the right album now. I wish everyone would
What's
listen.
going on here? Hey, come on.
Can somebody help?
Somebody would please do this.
Excuse me.
Now, baby, and when you're moving closer, that means so much. Yeah, I try to understand. Time out is what I'm here for.
You may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. You may be wrong, but you may be right. Bang in the hole, up there. Over the hill, I ding dong. A bum in the head, to one. Hair behind, hold on. You Billy bat. Over the hill, hang, 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 hang. Usually I wear a colander when I sing this song. Keeps the flying tomatoes from messing my naturally wavy hair. Oh.
Secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. I hear secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. I hear secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. I hear secrets that you keep when you're talking in your sleep. Okay, y'all, I have the answer to the trivia question, which I asked a little bit earlier.
Oh yeah, what was that?
That was, what character has never introduced a show before? Have you figured that one out?
I thought what character on stage here?
Uh-huh.
I introduced plenty of shows. Yeah, me too.
Well, I introduced mine last show.
Yeah, so that knocks us four out. Now who else is it?
Well, there's Choo Choo.